Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to our next Femitech video tutorial. Now, guys, for this episode, I'm gonna show you how to find out the model number and, of course, get the specs for your HP laptop. So, on the screen, what is on the screen is actually specs or the different information about this laptop. Of course, it is giving us information like, for example, the current date, the name, the operating system, the language, the manufacturer, the model, how much memory in it, the processor. So those are actually the specs. So I'm gonna show you how to reach this screen. So let's come off this screen. Let's exit it. Now we're gonna focus on the keyboard there. So this Windows key, you're gonna press the Windows key, then R. Once you do that, then this dialog box will come up right there. Now in this box, you're gonna type in DXDIAG. Once you have done that, then just simply click OK or enter. That's right. So as you can see, launched there. So that's how you get the information or the specs for your laptop or just about any computer. So once again, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.